learn how to draw this adorable little fairy? If so, you are going to need something to doodle on, something to draw your doodle with, something to erase any mistakes that you might make, and a marker to outline your doodle when you are done. And don't forget the crayons, the markers, the colored pencils, or the paint so you can add some color to your awesome doodle when you are done drawing it. Grab all of those supplies and let's get started. Let's get started on our adorable little fairy doodle. So our paper is going to go vertical, which means that it's skinny here, but it's nice and tall here. And the first thing we are going to do is we're going to draw our fairy. So I'm going to start with, and I'm going to put her over here on the right side of my paper. I'm going to start with that curved shape for her face. Whoop. So nice curved line for her face. And at the end of my curves, I'm going to give her her ears. So at the end of her curves, I'm going to give her her ears. And that's going to be the bottom of her face. And I can go in and draw in her eyes right now. So I'm going to go ahead and give her her eyes with 2 sparkles. So I'm going to do my upside down 8, big circle on top of a little circle. So she's got a little life in her eyes. I'm going to give her a little smile because she is a happy fairy. Now I'm going to go up and I'm going to draw in some hair. You can draw your hair however you would like. I want to give her kind of some, I think I'm going to color her hair pink. So I want to give her like some short, kind of spiky hair. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to make a curved line for the top of her head. And a curved line over here. And then I'm going to finish her hair and give her some little spikes here. Maybe she's got a cute, short pixie cut. Maybe. I'm going to go ahead and give her the hair that I think she looks cute in. You can draw your hair however you would like. You could even add a bow or a headband. Now, I am going to draw in her arm. So I'm going to come over at an angle. So I kind of have a little diagonal here. And then I'm going to come in at an angle. So I'm making kind of a curved V shape. And I'm going to do the same thing on the inside. I'm going to draw a line down so I'm parallel to that line. And I'm going to draw a line down here. So I've made her arm. Now I'm going to do a curved line straight up in the air. And I'm going to do a backwards C shape for her hand. So she's got her hand. And it's like that because we're going to draw a little wand. So I want to have a little bit of space between her thumb and her hand so it looks like she's holding the wand. Now I'm going to come over here on the other side and I'm going to go ahead and curve right down. And that's going to be her other arm. So let's go ahead and draw on her dress. So I'm going to do a curved line. And I didn't go all the way across. I left a gap because I want to be able to draw her arm over there. See how her arm is kind of on the side of her dress over there? And this is her dress. So that's a nice curved line for her dress. And then I will curve out over here for her dress because she's flying. She's a fairy. And now I'm going to do a bunch of big U shapes and I'm going to connect them all the way across to finish her dress. Look at her dress, so cute. Now I can go back in and draw in her magic wand. Magic wand. So I made a rectangle, very tall, skinny rectangle. Now I'm going to draw a star. And you could draw a heart, a star, a circle, whatever you'd like at the top. I'm going to make it a star. Look at how cute she is. Now I'm going to go through and draw in a nice long oval shape for her legs. So it looks like she's just fluttering along, but she's missing something. She's missing, how can she fly? She doesn't have any wings, right? She's missing her wings. So let's go in. We're gonna draw nice, big, kind of a backward C shape. And then we're gonna go all the way back, and they kind of meet in the back of her back. And then I'm gonna do a smaller one down here on both sides, so it matches. So I got her littler wing there and her bigger wing there, and you can keep going. You can make another row of wings. You can make them however you would like. Look at how cute our little fairy is. So now, because she's a little fairy, I'm gonna add a big mushroom in the background. So I'm gonna make a big curved line. Look at how big this curved line is. Nice and big. So a big poop. Now I'm going to add the bottom of my line here. So I'm going to come around with a very skinny oval shape, and I'm going to go in. So I'm kind of in the middle of her foot there. Now I'm going to go back, and in the middle here, I'm going to make a big oval shape, kind of like a bell. So that way my inside of my mushroom here, kind of this whole shape kind of looks like a bell. And now I'm going to add the stem of my mushroom coming down. So I'm going to go up here because I want it to be in the middle of my mushroom. And I'm going to make a curved line and a curved line at the top. That's going to be the inside of my mushroom. Then I'm going to go around my fairy's foot and around this foot. And I'm going to curve down and out. I want to make the stem bigger at the bottom of my mushroom than it is at the top of my mushroom. And then we're going to add a couple little lines in here to help kind of get the inside of the mushroom. Our mushroom needs something. Cartoon mushrooms are usually red with big white dots. So let's go ahead and draw in some of those big white dots. So let's give our mushroom some polka dots. Look at that. All right. Can't wait to color in my fairy. Look at how cute she is. I love my little fairy doodle. I hope that you had fun drawing your fairy. Let's grab our markers or our crayons, colored pencils, or paint, and let's add some color to this adorable little fairy doodle. Look at how cute our little fairy turned out. I had so much fun coloring with you today. If you had fun coloring and drawing with me, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And I cannot wait to see you again next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.